Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen. So in order to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is on this page, you first thing you want to make sure to do is ensure that you've enabled the notification. So you could open up WhatsApp application, click the three dot icon, go to settings, and here comes the notification. Make sure that the notification button is toggled on. Likewise, the other thing what you also want to do is long press the WhatsApp application, click on the I button and go to app info section. Similarly, over here, click on notification and make sure to toggle the button for notification as well. As you've done this, it should be able to fix. If nothing works out, then you could also check for an update. So go to your respective app store and on the search bar, type in WhatsApp, as sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So you want to check for that as well. And this might be able to fix your issue. So this is basically how you could fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.